How to see sensitive content on Telegram. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to see sensitive content on Telegram. In order to see sensitive content on Telegram, you'll need to enable the sensitive content. So for that, if you log in into your Telegram account and tap the tracker icon, and then head over to your settings page, go and tap the settings button, and from here go to privacy and settings. Here you'll find no such option as to enable sensitive content, unlike any other social media app. So what you have to do is, in that case, to enable sensitive mode or to see a sensitive content, you'll have to go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar you'll need to go ahead and type in web.telegram.org, and this is going to log you into this is going to take you to the official web page of Telegram through a web browser. So then you'll have to log in into your Telegram account from there. This is how, once you're logged in from a web page, this is how it's going to look like. Now you'll have to do the same procedure as I mentioned earlier. You'll have to tap the trackbar icon, and from there you'll need to go ahead and tap the settings button. And once you tap the settings button, it's going to take you to the settings page. Here you'll need to scroll down a bit and go to privacy and security. Once you tap on privacy and security, over here you'll be able to find an option as see sensitive content. So all you have to do is just tap the button and then make sure to enable it. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the sensitive content on Telegram. So in this way you can see sensitive content on Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.